Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create attributes in WooCommerce for your products. Attributes are things like color and size that customers can choose when they buy your product. Let's take the example of a shirt. A shirt can come in different colors and sizes. So let's create these attributes step by step. First of all, on the left side, go to products and then click attributes. Here we will create our first attribute, color. In the name box type color, in the slug box also type color. Now you will see an option called type. From the drop down choose color so your customers can easily pick a color. Finally click add attribute. Now click on configure terms under color. Here we will add the actual color options, for example red, blue, black and white. Just type the name of the color and click add new color each time. Now let's create another attribute for size. Go back to attributes, type size in the name box and in the slug box also type size. For type you can leave it as the default, click add attribute. Then just like before click configure terms and add small, medium, large and extra large. That's it. Now you have created attributes for both color and size. Later when you add a variable product, you can use these attributes so your customers can choose exactly what they want. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more beginner friendly tips, and if you get stuck anywhere just leave a comment. I will happy to help. Thanks.